Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Santosh Rajendra Gola, and today is 2nd March 2022, and today's our topic is methods calling and methods written in Java. First of all, in Java, method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. When you call the statement out, it will println, and the println method, for example, the system actually executes several statements in order to display a message on a console. And now you uh, to create your own methods with or without return values, we should have to invoke a method with or without parameters and apply method abstraction in the program. uh, First of all, in that method callings, for using a method, it should be called, there are two ways in which method is called. Method returns a value, or returning nothing, means no return value. And the process of method calling is simple. When a program invokes a method, uh, the program control gets transferred to to the called method, and this called method then returns control to the caller in two conditions. And the return statement is executed, and it reaches to the end, ending and closing bracket. And formal parameters allows you to pass a value into a method, and a method can also pass a value out when it is finished. And if a method is void method, like most of the methods we have seen so far, and it does not return a value when called, but some methods return the value when we call it. And you can see all the methods that are inherited in uh, turtle in this Java documentation file. And the first column in the method summary, it indicates the return types of method. And most of the methods have void return type. And the void method is the forward method changes the trouble location, while the trunk left method changes the direction. Now look at the methods in the first column having the return type. When we use a method that returns a value, and you need to save what it returns in a variable or the values in some way. For example, by printing it out, the data type of variable must match the data type of the return value of the method. And it must be the and in the example, the get width method returns and the int, so we need to assign the result into a variable, int variable. The calling of method is the method that contains the actual call, and the call methods is method being called. And in Java programming, the return statement is used to returning the value when the execution of a block is completed. And the return statement inside the loop will cause the loop to break, and the further statement will be ignored by the compiler. And the returning value from a method. And in Java, every method is declared with the return type, such as float, integer, double, string, etc. And these return types require a return statement. And at the end of the method, a return keyword is used for returning the resoluted values. Thank you.